finally made it out of that rush hour traffic through DC, and now we're in Maryland, and we are on a road trip, right, Sam? Yeah. This is a small town. Couldn't resist though. It only cost 1 penny. Made it to Delaware. We're picking up my daughter from her soccer camp, and we're like 2 miles from the beach. And look at the Starbucks cups, sunglasses. Isn't that cute? This cup has flip-flops on it.
Well, it appears that I have a good time. It appears that I can start.
I'm gonna play Goalie Wars.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Zero ball. None of those count.
Really hot and steamy, and we found the first place to stop to eat. It's the Holiday Inn. Sammy added our drawing or our coloring to the decor. Ah! We ended up with Ocean View tour. It's really small. There's a little table and chairs.
What the heck? Mom, look at this TV.
There's a small TV. Did you make it in? I was too tired last night to finish this story, so if you liked it, give it a heart, and I will see you soon.